Hey there, Wealth Wisdom 101 family. Today we're going to explore an exciting opportunity to make 20-50% daily passive income using the ChatGPT AI trading bot. This powerful tool can help you maximize your earnings in the world of finance. So, let's dive in and learn how to make the most of this incredible technology. Part 1. What is the ChatGPT AI trading bot? The ChatGPT AI trading bot is an advanced artificial intelligence system designed to analyze market trends and make informed trading decisions. It uses cutting-edge algorithms to predict market movements and execute trades on your behalf, allowing you to earn passive income without constantly monitoring the markets. In this video, we'll cover how to set up and use the ChatGPT AI trading bot to boost your earnings. Part 2. Setting up the ChatGPT AI trading bot. To get started with the ChatGPT AI trading bot, follow these simple steps. Sign up for an account on the ChatGPT AI trading bot platform. Connect your preferred trading platform, e.g. Binance, Coinbase, etc., to the ChatGPT AI trading bot using API keys. Configure your trading settings, such as risk tolerance, investment amount, and preferred trading pairs. Activate the ChatGPT AI trading bot and let it work its magic. Part 3. Monitoring and adjusting your trades. While the ChatGPT AI trading bot is designed to work autonomously, it's essential to monitor its performance and make adjustments as needed. Keep an eye on your trades, review the bot's performance, and tweak your settings to optimize your earnings. Remember, the key to success is staying informed and adapting to market changes. Part 4. Tips for maximizing your earnings. To make the most of the ChatGPT AI trading bot, consider these tips. Diversify your trading pairs to spread risk and increase potential returns. Start with a conservative risk tolerance and gradually increase it as you gain confidence in the bot's performance. Regularly review and update your trading settings to ensure they align with your financial goals and market conditions. And that's it, folks. By harnessing the power of the ChatGPT AI trading bot, you can potentially earn 20-50% daily passive income. Remember to monitor your trades, adjust your settings, and stay informed about market trends. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Wealth Wisdom 101 for more financial tips and strategies. Until next time, happy trading!